How to fix Pikashow buffering problem. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, make sure your device is connected to a fast and stable internet connection before opening Pikashow. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on to refresh the connection. Close the Pikashow app completely and relaunch it to clear and temporary glitches. Inside Pikashow, go to settings and lower the streaming quality to reduce buffering. Go to device settings, find Pikashow under app section, tap clear cache to free up memory. Close all background apps running on your device to free up RAM and improve streaming speed. If you are using VPN, try turning it off as it can slow down your internet and cause buffering. Go to your Wi-Fi setting and change the DNS to this for faster connection. Make sure you are using the latest version of Pikashow as updates often flag buffering issues. If buffering still continue, uninstall and reinstall the Pikashow app to get a fresh and clean version. I hope your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching.